In this video, we'll take you through the full process of preparing, laying, sealing and grouting traditional terracotta herringbone tiles. Terracotta tiles are supplied moulded in pairs. Before you begin, you'll need to separate them into individual tiles. You'll notice a seam between each pair. Simply take another tile and strike gently along this seam. The tile should snap apart cleanly. Take care not to use too much force, as terracotta can break in unwanted ways if handled too firmly. Once you've separated the tiles, lay them out and brush away any dust. You can now apply Lithathin TC Impregnator. Using a small roller makes this quick and gives an even coverage. Wipe away any excess or pooling, as this can leave shiny patches when dry. Allow the tiles to dry for around an hour before moving on. Mark the centre of your surface with a simple pencil cross. Take one of your tiles and, using a square, find its centre and mark a clean 90-degree angle at the top. This will be your starting reference tile when you begin laying. Before fixing the tiles in place, dry lay the pattern to check your widths and ensure the layout feels balanced. Once you're ready to begin, mix your adhesive. We recommend Terracotta H40 gel for the best results. Using a 12mm square notch trowel, spread the adhesive with vertical strokes to achieve maximum coverage. These terracotta tiles have deep ridges along their underside, so it's important to use a bigger trowel to again achieve maximum coverage of adhesive to the tile. Start laying your tiles using that first penciled tile to keep everything aligned. Place 5 more spacers between each tile. Terracotta is naturally a little uneven, so whilst the spacer sets the minimum gap, you may see slightly wider grout joins throughout, part of the charm of a handmade product. Leave the tiles to dry fully on the adhesive. Once dry, reapply the impregnator with a roller and allow it to dry for another hour. When the second coat has dried, it's time to seal the tiles. We recommend Lithathin TC sealant. Brush this over the tiles, making sure to also seal the edges and remove any pooled sealant. Leave to dry, then apply a second coat for full protection. Terracotta has a very high porosity. Initial coats will absorb into the material, but each subsequent coat will settle more and more on the surface. Each layer of sealant will add a sheen to the surface. You can keep applying coats until you're satisfied with the resulting finish. Now you're ready to grout. Using Fugabella 43 from Terracotta, mix the grout thoroughly and spread it across the tiles, ensuring it fills all joints. Allow the grout to dry, then wash off the excess. As with all natural terracotta, you may need to repeat this washing process a few times for the cleanest finish.